Now rule number 3. Rule number 3 is that if the first two letter of two elements are same, then we are using the first letter and the first consonant as their symbol. For example, magnesium. For magnesium, we use the first letter, that is M, and the first consonant, that is G. So Mg is the symbol for magnesium. Similarly, manganese. For manganese, we are using M, and the first M is the first letter and the first consonant is N. We are using Mn. Now one rule you remember, that two first letter and first consonant should not have common, that is they are not remain same. Another example you see, chlorine. For chlorine, C is the first letter, H is the first consonant. Here also same, first letter is C and H is the consonant, that is both are same. So what we are doing now, for chlorine, that is they are common. So next, after next H is consonant, next consonant is L. So we are using Cl. Cl is the symbol for chlorine. Okay. So chromium also we cannot use H because H is common. So you are using C and next R. So Cr is the symbol for chromium. This is the rules. Next, number 4 rule. Number 4 rule is that some symbols are based on the old name or Latin name of the element. That is, some elements are there that they use the Latin name as their symbol. So examples are, I am giving you sodium. I am using the symbol of element sodium. Sodium, the Latin name is natrium. You have to remember this Latin name. Sodium, the Latin name is natrium. So natrium is the Latin name. So you are using Na. Na is the symbol for sodium. Okay. Next, copper. I am using copper. In copper, you see copper, the Latin name of copper is cuprum. Latin name is cuprum. You have to remember the Latin name. According to the Latin name, their symbols are denoted. So cuprum, copper name is cuprum. So you are using the symbol is Cu. So Cu is the symbol for copper. Silver. Next is silver. The Latin name of silver is argentum. So you are writing the symbol as Ag. So Ag is the symbol for silver elements. Next, mercury. Mercury, the Latin name is hydrogyrum. So you are writing the symbol as Hg. So we have to write iron. Similarly, iron. For iron element, the Latin name is ferrum. Ferrum. So we are writing the symbol is Fe. Okay. So you have to remember these Latin names. Okay. In your book, page number 21, some elements use the letter of their Latin names written here. That is sodium. For sodium, Latin name natrium. So you are writing the symbol Na. Copper, cuprum. Silver, argentum. Mercury, hydrogyrum. Potassium, calcium. Iron, ferrum. And lead, plumbum. So you are using Pb. Pb is the symbol of lead. And some elements I already told. First two letter aluminum, argon. First two letter other name. And some elements use the symbols are the first letter only. You have to remember this. In the table 2.2 also, that is inert gas symbol. That is all helium, neon, argon, xenon, krypton, radon. These are the symbols you have to remember. Next, table 2.3 also some elements are given. So you have to remember these symbols for the elements. Okay. Now, common elements. The following are the common elements found in the universe. That is, hydrogen and helium are the two most common elements we are found in Earth. Next, in Earth crust, oxygen is the greatest amount, followed by silicon, aluminum, and iron. Next, in atmosphere, nitrogen is the most abundant elements. That is 78%. You already know. Next, in human body, carbon and hydrogen and oxygens are the most common elements because they make up the compound in all body cells. Okay, in next class we start compounds.